Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can easily change the background color in Instagram story. Whether it's for a photo, video or plain text story, you can just go over and follow up these steps. So let's just dive right in. Open up Instagram application for that, and once you open up Instagram, you can just go over and swipe left to open up the story section. From here, look out for the create option and select it. And from there, you can just go over and type in your text. So type in your text in this box right here. And once you're done, you can just go over and select the option of background here. So look out for the background option and tap on it. And when you tap on it, it should change colors. You can just go over and do so and scroll to pick up any of the colors available. And that's it. This is one of the method available. You can tap on your story option to post it and post it on your story. Apart from that, you can change the background color for photo stories. So open up Instagram and from there look out for your story option and select up a photo or video from your gallery. Something like this right here, and once you do so, you can look out for the drop pen icon and tap on it. After you tap on it, the space opens up. Now what you need to do is select the color at the bottom. So you can select any of the color available, for example green, and hold it up on your screen. Long press and hold it up anyway on your screen, and the entire background changes to that color. So what we can do is we can just go and use eraser to reveal the parts of the photos or create effects. You can just go and tap on this eraser option and make it big if you prefer. After that, you can just go and erase it, and there we go. And you should be finding the changes being applied. You can tap on that. Or if you want to change color, again hold, for example, red, and apply it up, and you should be finding the changes being applied. Once again, use the eraser icon, and you can just go over and erase the part where you do not want the color and tap on the done option at the top like this. And then you can tap on your story option to post it on your story. And that is it. That should change the background color in Instagram stories, whether for text, photos, or videos. So if this video helped you out, smash that like button and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.